हाल ही में GOIT 817 को लेकर एक न्यू अपडेट सामने आई है, जिसमें बताया गया है कि इट हैज़ come to the notice of the commission that some candidates are not able to appear for typing test for the post of GOIT postcode 817 on scheduled date and time due to heavy snowfall and blockage of roads. Now the commission has accepted the genuine request of the candidates and decided that the candidate who will not appear in the typing test on scheduled date and time, they will be allowed to appear for typing test on 24th February along with the proof that his her road has been blocked due to heavy snowfall. Thank you.